Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repair corrupt system files with the SFC command. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10 and you want to repair your corrupted system files, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply click on this window button or the start button, and now here you just have to search for CMD or command prompt. And once you have searched, you just have to click on Run as Administrator or right click on this and then click on Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Now on this screen, you just have to enter a command. So I have command in my text section here. So it is a command which is sfc slash scannow. So I'm gonna copy this from here and I'm going to paste it in this section. Just paste your command and click or press enter from your keyboard. And once it's done, it will scan your system. So you can see that this process will take some time. So you just have to wait for until this scan completes. When the scan has been completed, it will automatically repair your corrupted system files. So in this way, you can easily repair your corrupted system files in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.